My brushes were acquired like from years and years of brush shopping, makeup shopping, I guess. Favorite ko ngayon tong ColourPop. I've used these eyeshadow palettes on this one. I love this one, the bronzer shimmer oil from Victoria's Secret, the one I used on Nadine's H&M photo shoot. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna give you a tour of a makeup kit because everyone has been asking me what's in my bag, what's in my kit, what are the makeup tools that I've been using on my clients. So basically this is the first tour of my kit. So these are my brushes. So my brushes were acquired like from years and years of brush shopping, makeup shopping, I guess. Ayan po siya. This is just like a part of my brush collection. Meron pa po akong ibang brushes that I don't usually bring on my shoots. So ito po yung my basic brushes that I bring on my shoots. So I have this one. This is an acrylic case in which dito ko po nilalagay lahat ng mga gagamitin ko for certain clients. Like for example, powder. So okay, so nakaprepare na siya. So I don't have to get it inside the kit. And then also these are my palettes, my go-to palettes that I use also. Like kunwari, alam ko na kung ano yung mga makeup looks na gagawin ko. And this is one of my favorite brands also from Path McGrath Labs. And of course my favorite, one of my ultimate favorite brands, Benefit. So this is my favorite palette. And then ngayon, favorite ko ngayon tong ColourPop. I've used these eyeshadow palettes on His Into Her concert. Okay, so this, I think these two are the palettes that I used on Belle. Of course, this one, the brown palette. And then the lilac, the one I used on Kriza. And the mint to be is the one I used on Vivory. And of course, one of my favorite highlighters from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Blushes from NARS. Highlighters from Tom Ford, my favorite. Ito po yung nawala ng assistant ko before that I had to replace. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya nawala, guys. If ever you find it, pabalik na po. Charot. So this is my favorite foundation from Makeup Forever. Ganda niya because it has all colors na. So perfect for makeup artists also. So we have, of course, my skincare bag. We have my skincare pouch. So it has, of course, La Mer Essential, the best-selling renewal oil, the Anessa. Okay, so I haven't tried this, but it's on my kit already. So sunblock. And this one is a sunblock that I use on my clients, the Biologic Research. And then, of course, my favorite moisturizer, the matte lotion. Perfect if you guys are oily. Okay, so La Mer treatment lotion. This one I use as a toner. And of course, my mist is also La Mer. And recently, if I actually have a client who's oily, and usually ang ginagamit ko talaga sa kanila is the renewal oil. But if they're super oily, I switch into the Guerlain Abel Real line, in which is perfect for oily skin. And of course, the moisturizing cool cream, in which I use on my clients, especially kapag summer, kasi maganda siya, parang merong cooling effect. And of course, the moisturizing soft cream of La Mer. Okay, so this is naman my foundation pouch, which has all my Makeup Forever bases. Water Blend is the one that I use if I want just manipis na super natural finish. The Matte Velvet Skin is the one I use on my clients, especially kapag oily sila. And of course, Holy Grail of foundation, Ultra HD foundation, in which I use this generally on my clients. I also have the blush, cream blush version of that palette. These are like Makeup Forever palettes, which has blushes, some velvet matte foundations. Oh, this is a cute case. So it has my name on it. For Makeup Forever also. It's a custom painted can case. Okay, so this one naman is the one I use on my clients' brows. I don't use anything more than Benefit. Ta-da! So of course, they're very famous. Precisely My Brow Pencil, in which is essential on my kit, as you guys can see. Madami po ako niyan. I also have their brow micro filling pen. Perfect din yan. I also have, ayan, of course, a micro filling pen. Lahat. Goof Brow Pencil. Cute name. So, the ones that I use, ito pa. This one, I used to like this. This one, no? The Brow Contour Pro, because whatever you need, kung ano yung color na kailangan mo. Like, kunwari, if you want a darker brown of your shade of brows, ayan siya. There, all colors. Okay, this kit naman, I know it's super gulo. I really need my assistant. So, it has all of my false eyelashes. Isang bag po siya, isang kit siya. So, my false eyelashes, these are my favorite. Individual eyelashes from Lux Beauty Philippines. They call it lash clusters. This one yung very uso ngayon na fishtail. And then, of course, my favorite Artisan Pro eyelashes. Ito talaga yung L'Essential line is one of my favorite. And then their newest lash line, which is Mercredi. Yan din po siya. So, all of those lashes are Artisan, Mercredi, and Lux Beauty. So, punong-puno po siya, guys. Actually, sa sobrang dami, yung iba natatambak ko na siya dito sa sa prep kit ko. So, these are my prep kit. So, lahat po ng mga stuff here are like mostly for the body. This is a makeup remover from La Mer. My fixing spray or the super setter for professional super setter from Benefit. And then I have here Fenty Beauty Body Glow or Body Lava. Also bronzers from Makeup Forever. The Soleil Blanc from Tom Ford. So, and NARS and some looks. So, sorry, pasensya na guys. Tinambak ko na dyan yung mga... So, sobrang dami kong lashes. Lashes is everything. And then some contact lenses, of course. Favorite is from Olens. Ito pa po yung iba. I got also some body shimmers from Moon Beauty. And some more... Oh, the Mario Badescu skincare na ano. And then some... The Light Velvet Matte fixing spray, some contact lens solution, the Natasha body glow. Oh, this one, I love this one, the bronzer shimmer oil from Victoria's Secret, the one I use on Nadine's H&M photo shoot. This one is the Tom Ford, that is the one that I use on Kim's body during the photo shoot for H&M also. And then I got some powders, of course, the classic MAC Studio Fix powders. I have all colors. And then some loose powders here. And then also I've got some more loose powders from Laura Mercier. And of course, the airbrush finish from Charlotte Tilbury. Ito hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit. The Pat McGrath na highlighter. And then, ito rin di masyadong nagamit. I know, medyo nagamit ko siya before. The Fenty Beauty blushes and highlighters. Ito pala yung hindi ko masyadong nagamit. Why is this still on my kit? The Claudia Schiffer collection, which they released on Beauty Bar. And then, Jeffree Star. I don't get to use this. Soon. The Jeffree Star highlighters. The Dandelion Twinkle of Benefit, my favorite. Okay, so on this part naman, we have, of course, the lipsticks. These are like my liquid lipsticks coming from Jeffree Star. Meron po tayong Makeup Forever. Actually, medyo iba-ibang brand siya from Too Faced. So, ayan siya. But I also have this one. Yung mga, kasi sobrang daming lipsticks talaga. Dinidipot ko na yung most of the lipsticks. So, I use this one from Vuset. Okay, I think kapag, 1 year na siya, nililipat ko na siya dito para hindi na siya too bulky. And then, some of my new lipsticks are here. Mixed brand siya, but mostly from Pat McGrath. And then, some Kylie. And then, nandito pa yung iba. Mostly are from Charlotte Tilbury. I love lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. As you guys can see, sobrang dami niya. Ang mga Charlotte Tilbury, those are very nice, natural, wearable colored lipsticks in matte and creamy formulas. And I also have here my favorite ko din to, the Benefit California Kissin Color Balms. So color balm siya pero tinted colored lip balms. So ito naman from Makeup Forever, the mga lip paints nila, yung ink, they called it rouge ink. So if you want long lasting lipsticks, so those are from Makeup Forever. Okay, so these are my primers. So marami po siyang klase. All kinds and all colors of the Step 1 primers from Grayness Reducer. This one, ito talaga, the Shine Control. If you want mattified face or skin, perfect talaga yan. So if you want brightening, you use this fresh brightener. And then if you want radiance, so this one, perfect yan. So yes. So I still have this one, oil-free matte. CC cream from It Cosmetics. And then my highlighters, liquid and cream highlighters from Jeffree Star. Ito naman from Pat McGrath. Or syempre, their famous ones. From Moon Beauty. This one is from Moon Beauty naman. My mascaras. So you guys can see, may mga bago. So, para kapag if ever maubos na siya or kapag dry na yung iba, I have new replacements. Ayan, they're Real Magnet from Benefit, from different brands. And then my concealers. So those are my Graptobian correctors. My favorite concealers from Benefit. The ones, cream eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows from K Palette. Concealers from Makeup Forever. And some of my, ito po yung ginagamit kong pang graphic line sa mga clients ko. So, kanila Kim, kanila Belle, the Aqua XL paint. So, these are all my pencils. Oh my gosh, ang dami pa lang yung parang na-realize. So, these are my lip liners. So, isang bag siya. Usually, yung ibang makeup artists, they put it in a can or in a brush. Ako, I like them flat like that para hindi siya too bulky. So, sobrang kapal na, guys. Halo-halo na siya. So, meron na rin din yung mga pencils here kasi I brought this one on the studio by myself lang. So, I had to segregate some stuff. So, I have here Marc Jacobs eyeliner, this is a Teviant eyeliner, Marc Jacobs, Benefit, iba-ibang brand siya, guys. So, this one naman are my colored eyeliner. So, may mga blue, may mga green, etc. May nahaluan din siya ng mga pang-eyebrows. Ito din, mga eyebrow pencils from K Palette, and some, yan, halo-halo na siya, guys. Okay, so this is the rest of my eyeshadow palettes pa pala. So, I have here, I think, Mario, Makeup by Mario, Anastasia. So, this one naman are blushes from Isa Beauty Korea, cream blushes from Anastasia, Hourglass, and then Jeffree Star Blue Blood, Benefit, Anastasia, some Natasha Denona palettes. Natasha Denona, I love Natasha Denona, some Anastasia, Urban Decay. Oh my gosh, I haven't used this one. Oh my gosh, never ko pa siyang nagamit. And the Naked Cherry, that was a gift from a client. Starlet from Makeup Forever, and then some Jeffree Star, Makeup Forever, and Huda, ayan, from Too Faced. So, I love it. I love eyeshadow. I hope you guys enjoyed my tour as much as I did. So, sobrang gulo ng kit ko. Now, I really need my assistant. I hope matapos na tong ECQ na to. Yes! So, see you on my next vlog.